everyone. Today's story title is Sleeping Beauty. So, let's start. Long, long ago, there lived a king and his queen who were very unhappy. All they wanted was a child who would grow up to rule their kingdom. After many years, God blessed the royal couple with a beautiful baby girl. The king and the queen were overjoyed and invited all the fairies in the kingdom to celebrate the event. All the fairies came to meet the little princess with gifts of love, beauty, health, and wealth. Everyone in the kingdom brought different gifts for the little child. But unfortunately, the queen had forgotten to invite an old, ugly fairy. The fairy was enraged, and before the last fairy could give her blessings, the old fairy entered and cursed the little princess, saying, "Soon the princess will prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel and die." The king and queen were so scared, but the last fairy comforted them, saying, "The princess will not die. She will only fall into a deep slumber, and so will the entire kingdom. The spell will be broken after 100 years by her true love, a charming prince." The king ordered that every spinning wheel in the kingdom should be burnt immediately. The princess grew up to be a beautiful young lady, gentle and sweet. She learnt everything she could, but never saw a spinning wheel, and no one ever told her about the curse. Once, the princess was wandering in the royal palace. In one part, she found a dark tower, which she had never seen before. She went up the tower out of curiosity and saw a tiny room. As she opened the door, she saw an old lady working on a spinning wheel. The princess was astonished to see her and asked, "Hey, what are you doing here?" The wicked fairy smiled and said, "I'm spinning, young lady. Would you like to try it?" The princess was tempted to touch the spinning wheel. As she did so, she pricked her finger on the spindle and the curse started working. The princess fell into a deep sleep, and soon, one by one, all the people in the kingdom fell into a deep slumber. The king, the queen, the courtiers, the servants, even the cat, rats, and all the little animals fell into a deep, deep sleep. Everything came to a standstill. Long vines, thick bushes, and tall, dense trees covered the kingdom. Years passed, and everyone forgot about the lost kingdom. Once, a handsome prince from a faraway land came towards the lost kingdom. He cut through the thick vegetation and reached the palace. As he entered the palace, he was surprised to see everyone asleep. He looked at the beautiful princess and was enchanted by her beauty. How fresh and beautiful she looked. The prince couldn't resist and bent down to kiss her. And as he kissed the princess, she opened her eyes, and so did all the other people. The prince proposed, and the princess agreed. They married each other and lived happily ever after. Did you like this story? Please comment in the comment section. Thank you.